Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then, to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays. And finally select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories from the top, tap on all of your files that you wish to transfer, or use those type of dots at the top left corners, to select multiple right away. I will go with only a couple just for example. After you're done, hit Send next to selected at the bottom to continue. Then hit Got it and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, all you need to do is tap on this scanning icon above User Guide, close another, allow camera access and point it at the code, then wait as well. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!